Welcome to our sailing school in Sidi, Jmour, Djerba, Tunisia. Founded in October 2015, this is where young sailors grow, compete, and dream big. But our journey wasn't easy. At first, we had no base, no storage, just our passion for sailing. We carried our equipment in cars and set up on the beach every day, determined to give low kids a chance to sail. In 2017, we received our first 5-year permit to establish a sailing school on the beach. With small cabins and a lot of effort, we built a home for young sailors. From this foundation, champions were born. Tunisian windsurfing titles in U15, U17 and U19. Yassine, Africa's vice champion in 2019. Yassine and Idris, the only Arab and African competitors at the 2021 World Championship in Italy. Idris once again at the 2024 World Championship. Hafid, now the national windsurfing team's coach. But today we face a challenge. In September 2024, due to regulations, we had to dismantle everything. Every 5 years we must reapply for a permit. Now we wait, but we are not giving up. No matter what happens, we always end our days with the most beautiful sunset in the world. At least for us, We will keep training, competing and inspiring the next generation of sailors. Follow us, support us, and be part of our journey.
من صعبك عليا نكتب اسمك بالدم في ايديا ونرجع لك ديما